Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can disable incognito mode in Google Chrome in iPhone. So I'm going to show you the tutorial in my Android, but this process is similar for Android as well as on iPhone. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Google Chrome. So once you open Google Chrome, you can see incognito mode. So how you can turn that off? So you simply need to click on this little one and in the box, click on that option. So here you can see that incognito mode and this is a normal tab. So you simply need to click on this cross and you can see that it is now removed and you have the normal tab. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.